Okay, so this is our Scrum task board that we've got, and over here is our user stories that we've all got, and then next to it is the to-do list, which at the moment has our UI. Next is in progress, so this is what we're working on at the moment, which is the search feature, and then at the end or near the end is testing, and next to that is done, which is right the end, which has nothing at the moment at this time. So
okay.
To you guys.
So the first question we're going to do is, what have we done? So currently, all three of us are working on a search user story. So we've broken it down into 3 bits: the search, the database, and putting articles into the database. So currently we have coding it in Java. So we all decided that initially last week, and we've implemented a database. And currently we have sample articles we're going to put in, and we just need to look for legit articles and which ones we want, and get a whole variety and put them in. And then afterwards, we're probably going to do a next question, which is actually have to show it.
Alright, so what we're going to do now is, like Jess said, since we have already found some sample articles, we just need to place those articles into the actual database. So we're hoping from this point in time until the next Scrum meeting, we can get that implemented. So now just pass over to Hamish.
Yeah, so this is pretty much for any problems we face. So I found a problem in our search user story, which was I was trying to implement like a single search bar, text bar or text view bar, and I found that it would be too hard to. We're not quite sure on how to exactly narrow it down to the searches that the user put into that bar. So either they'll have to enter it incorrectly, or we're just not quite sure how to do it. So I thought of an idea about maybe putting up like multiple drop down menus and have it like a category type setup. So maybe they can narrow the search down themselves by selecting what they want in each category. And that's a problem I faced. And did you guys face any other problems that you guys had?
No, not really.
You guys are good?
Some of the database was a pain, but that was just simple coding errors. But right now, we just looked into the articles we have to put in, and we're just. I wouldn't say it's a problem, it's just more time consuming going through all of them. But we are trying to narrow it down so we don't have tons and tons of topics. So we will probably narrow it down to like 5 or 10 topics
Just
maybe.
the most relevant articles.
Yeah. And new articles and getting peer reviewed ones. And so to summarize it, what we've done, basically the search, which is our biggest user story, that's why we put it in one, because it's basically a whole program will run off this. So we've done maybe a third to over a half of it, and then now we're going to try to finish it off by implementing all the articles in and get the search bar running.
Yep.
And the problems we face are just with this one user story. So hopefully next week we'll be done with this one and get onto the UI and then get onto testing and start more of the stories.
Yep, sounds good.
Pretty much.
Sounds good.
Alright, cool.
Okay, cool.